I'm super excited for today's video because today we're going to be installing a rear spoiler on my Model Y. And this is coming from EV-Base. And the great thing with EV-Base is you can get 20% off, not just off of your rear spoiler, but any accessory for your Tesla or EV when you use the special promo code, JustFrugalMe at checkout. So let's go on and get started right to the installation. So the first thing that you want to do before you start putting the spoiler on and putting the adhesive on your car is that you want to make sure that this is clean as possible. So I did wash my car today, and I'm going back and have microfiber towel, and I'm just going to rub this as hard as I can because you don't want to get any dirt, any gunk, or anything else between the adhesive and your car, and that way that's going to ensure that it's a tight fit right on here, and you don't have to worry about it falling off, blowing off, or anything else like that. And secondly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this as extra adhesive that they sent me, and I'm just going to go back over here and I'm just going to pretty much parallel it with this other adhesive because I want to make sure this is going to stick well. Okay, so what we're going to do now is, it's calling for us to measure. You can measure from one side to the other, but I don't have my tape measure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the Tesla T here. And as you can see, you can come in just a little bit now. The Tesla T, that's right in the center of the car. So what I'm going to do is get some of the painter's tape, and I am going to line up that Tesla T straight up and down. And I'm going to make sure that is straight up and down right here. It's going a little crooked, and so yeah, I'm just going to go straight up and down right there in the center. Now that we have it going straight up and down, on the back of your spoiler here you have 5 screws. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I'm going to do is now right here in the center of the third one, I'm going to put a piece of tape going right here to the center of the spoiler, and that is right there over that screw. So what we're going to go back to do is we are going to line the tape up, and what's going to happen is once we line the tape up, it's going to be close. But the great thing with this product is that you can move it back and forth on the car, and it's almost like it's locking in place. It's almost like a perfect fit there. So what we're going to do is we are going to just peel off the adhesive. Now this is the moment of truth. We are going to line that tape up. Don't press in until you are sure. Then we are going to press in. Now hold it for 30 seconds. So whenever you're holding this for 30 seconds, you don't want to go at a high speed on your car, at least for 2 hours. And don't wash your car with a pressure washer at least for 2 days. And as we're sitting here holding it, just remember that this is aerodynamic as well. So it is going to improve your range and your efficiency on the car because it's helping that air move over the car and not sitting there pushing back up against the car. Now that we went on and held that in at least for about a minute now, we are going to take this painter's tape and we are going to just pull it because we want to continue to apply pressure at least for the next 2 hours. So I am going to leave this on for 2 hours now. So, but it looks amazing. It makes the car look so much sportier than just the plain white that you get with Tesla. So this is great, which I'm loving this product. So if you want to get yours, you can get your spoiler or any accessory from evbase.com. When you use the special promo code JustFrugalMe at checkout, you can get 20% off. Again, any accessory, but you're going to have to use the special promo code JustFrugalMe, or I have a link down in the description box below that you can just click right on that link, and that way it will automatically apply that discount. All right, so this is what we're looking at. It's 2 hours later now, and this is looking amazing. It really makes the car stand out. And remember, you can get so many more accessories like these wheel covers that I got from EV-Base. And don't forget about the front spoiler that we put on the car from EV-Base, and so much more. So for more installation videos of how you can spice up your Tesla, make sure you check out the top video right over there. Subscribe, and that way you don't miss another video, and I will see you in the next video.